So kakapasok lamang na balita ang temporary restraining order na hinihiling ni Senator Bato na ibasura ang warrant of arrest mula sa ICC ay kumpirmadong ibinasura ng ating Korte Suprema. Kinumpirma nga ng Supreme Court na ibinasura nito ang hiling na temporary restraining order at status quo ante order ni Senator Bato de la Rosa kaugnay ng posibleng pagpapatupad ng arrest warrant mula sa International Criminal Court. Sa botong 951, hindi pinagbigyan ng Korte Suprema ang petisyon para sa interim relief na inihain ni Senator Bato. Nilinaw ng Korte na tanging ang kahilingan para sa pansamantalang restraining order ang kanilang tinututukan ngayon habang nakabinbin pa ang pagtatalakay sa mga pangunahing isyu ng kaso tulad ng usapin sa pagiging fugitive at bisa ng ICC arrest warrant. So ito ating babasahin mula sa Office of the Spokesperson. The Supreme Court in a vote of 951 denied the prayer for a temporary restraining order and or status quo ante order filed by Senator Bato de la Rosa. The full resolution and the separate, concurring, and dissenting opinions of the members of the court will be uploaded to the Supreme Court website on Monday, May 25, 2026. In Senator de la Rosa's manifestations, he prayed for a TRO and or SQAO to prevent the Department of Interior and Local Government and Department of Foreign Affairs and Department of Justice and the Philippine National Police, the National Bureau of Investigation and the Bureau of Immigration and Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Criminal Investigation and the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group from arresting him on the basis of any warrant from the International Criminal Court, red notice and diffusion from the International Criminal Police organization or quasi-judicial instrument without a Philippine judicial warrant. The Supreme Court only decided on the prayers for interim relief. The main issues raised by the parties in their pleadings and motions are yet to be resolved in the main case. Naku po ay sigurado tuwang-tuwa dito ang mga anti-Duterte, ang mga pink at loyalista. Sila pa naman na may gustong-gustong damputing na sa Senator Bato at dalhin na daw sa Dahig, Netherlands. Kasama daw ang dating Pangulong Duterte doon. Pero heto ang hindi napaghandaan ng spokesperson ng NBI. Hindi masagot ni Karen Davila kung sino ba talagang nag-utos sa NBI na arestuhin sa Senator Bato. Ito ang nakakahiya na punto para sa Department of Justice. May spokesperson ka pero walang maisagot. Panoorin natin ito.
Attorney, who ordered the NBI to serve the warrant? I'm just curious here. This is for clarificatory purposes. So there is an understanding already when senators are interviewed because it seems everyone has an interpretation of the law.
Yes.
This is why we are where we are. So what is the government's interpretation? Number one, the government is cooperating with the ICC. Correct. Correct. Is that correct?
Totoo naman yun.
Yes, right now, not yet.
Today,
Ay?
you are coordinating with the ICC. No, not you personally.
Tinatanggi pa
the
niya.
government.
No,
The
no,
government.
today I can say for certain, no, many different personalities involved.
No.
Today at least. Okay, now when we did receive
Yes.
the warrant, of course, normally, Ms. Karen, syempre, I mean, in the ordinary course of things, talaga may tumanggap.
All right. So, ang point ko ito, sino ang nag-utos sa NBI arrest Bato last Monday? It's not interrogatory, it's just a clarificatory
Clarificatory.
question. For my understanding as a journalist, who ordered the NBI last Monday go to the Senate and arrest Senator Bato?
Cannot say, Ms. Karen, no, the specific directive
Cannot say.
enforce the warrant, we don't know, at least not yet.
How
Because
could you
it's
not know the
finding time.
NBI is under the DOJ? So did the DOJ order the NBI serve the warrant?
Tama.
If you did, there would be nothing wrong with that. I just want to know the timeline and the chain of command.
I can't say for certain
Lo.
what the chain of command was, Miss Karen. No, you'll have to forgive me for that
Diyos
matter.
ko.
Okay, but we do know that there was
Spokesperson,
You are
ah.
the spokesperson of the Justice Department. Forgive me, sir. I don't mean to be rude. How could you not know a simple chain of command
Tama.
on who ordered the NBI to serve the
Ang
warrant?
simple lang.
You are speaking to a journalist now on live TV about the ICC arrest warrant. So, which agency ordered the NBI
Tama.
serve the warrant to Senator Bato on Monday?
the specific directive, Miss Karen, I really can't say.
Lo.
Okay.
Forgive me
Alright.
for that, no? That's why we have the fact-finding panel to do
Diyos
so.
ko, walang kwentang
because of the
spokesperson.
Fact-finding panel is on
The
the
incident.
chaos in the Senate. That is the fact-finding panel. But on who ordered the NBI to serve the warrant
Yan,
on
hindi
Monday?
niya masagot talaga.
Because the government is cooperating with the ICC. So it's important for the public to understand, number one, the government is recognizing the ICC warrant
Yes,
as
correct.
valid. In a
Correct.
press conference, you cited Republic Act 9851 yourself.
Yes,
You
correct.
cited it and said it has the power to surrender any individuals to an appropriate international court. You were quoted as saying that, right?
Correct.
So
That's
number
correct.
one, the DOJ is recognizing the ICC warrant as valid. So number two, the NBI tried to serve the warrant
Yun.
last Monday. So which agency ordered the NBI to serve it? Who gave the
Wala
warrant
pa
to
din
the
sasagot
NBI?
yan.
The specific directive, again, I cannot say.
Diyos ko.
All right.
Sayang lang ang oras ni Miss Karen Davila. Pinasimple na nga yung tanong ni Miss Karen Davila. Ano ba naman tong spokesperson ng Department of Justice? Walang kwenta. Bakit naandyan ka pa? Bakit nagpa-interview ka pa? Diba? Kaya ka nga spokesperson, tagapagsalita. Tatanungin ng ahensya mo. Dapat may nalalaman ka. May nalalaman ang spokesperson sa lahat na nangyayari sa iyong ahensya. Diyos ko po. Pinasimple na nga yung tanong ni Miss Karen Davila. Wala pa rin siyang nasagot. Iwas na iwas. O baka ganito lang yan. Wala siyang maisagot kasi hindi nakapaghanda ng script. Ganun ba yon, spokesperson ng DOJ? Siguro makakapagsalita lang ito kapag may script na. Grabe no? Wala daw siyang maisagot. Halatang may pinagtatakpan. So ano yun? Basta na lang sumipot yung arrest warrant na yun. Kahit sino pala pwedeng mang-aresto. Wala siyang maisagot walang maisagot ang spokesperson ng DOJ. So pwede na lang kahit sino. Siguro pag si Auntie Claire ang sasagot dito, meron maisasagot ito kahit papaano. Sanay yung magtakip eh. Kaya nga lang, ang usapin na ito, na arrest warrant, ay mukhang matutuloy na ang pag-aresto kay Senator Bato. Dahil ang Supreme Court natin ay dinenied, binasura ang TRO na hinihiling ni Senator Bato sa pag-aresto sa kanya. Sa tingin ninyo, tama kaya ang naging desisyon ng ating Korte Suprema? Ano ang inyong opinyon? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like yan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.